last 15 kilometer remaining and less than 15, 13, around 13 kilometer remaining. We are targeting like hour and a half, 1 hour and a half, like we'll finish it off, or maximum like 2 hours we'll take to reach this thing. It has been like a crazy journey, and I'll share like everyone's review and all while coming back in the bus. So we'll discuss all this thing, and very good experience and very crazy, like especially the last part, because sun is killing. I went down and I wanted to do 10k full stretch on a fast pace. I carried everything, oranges and all, and I thought like I can go fast, but I mean it was actually tough. I would have done it, but so what we changed the strategy. We thought like 5 kilometer we'll do. So Roshan is there going, maintaining very good pace in full heat. So we have very strong runners. Some of the very strong runners are there, and we have decided everyone is in. 3 kilometer, 5 kilometer we do this, and we just finish very strong. Very fortunate and very blessed to say that nobody has had any injury till now, and usually groups and individuals, we made like warm up in charge and all cool down in charge. Full detail planning we did. Nobody had any injury till now.
And switch on the map.
We are running since yesterday, so it's like we are finishing 24 hours now. 24 hours, I guess it would be like in 24 hours. We targeted like very like fast was this thing, but basic plan we did. But everyone, the good thing is sometimes you plan and then sometimes you have to extend, and you have to keep time in middle, and you have to stop and all to make sure, because that is the priority. It's not like just running Bangalore to Mysore. The priority was just running Bangalore to Mysore, along with supporting the cause as much as I can. I shared lot of talks, lot of views, lot of this thing. Take a little bit at. I'll just give him water. So all this thing, and Roshan is going very strong. So yeah, cause we like cause is there. I shared lot of interviews, lot more to come, lot of photos. Everyone enjoyed a lot, and everyone enjoyed a lot, and yeah, so we are going very strong. We'll finish like the strongest finish we'll be having, full of traffic, full of in middle of everything. So we are very glad to say that it's very crazy, and but yeah, we are supporting, and so after every 3-4 kilometer we'll switch. Now like he'll come in, and next runner will go, and then we'll just switch and we'll reach. It's crazy, obviously, like it's not that easy as it sounds like, it seems like, but yeah, I guess that's it. We'll meet more runners over there who have already reached there in the bus, and then we'll run like a couple of kilometers together over there. We are 12 kilometers from 12 kilometers from
Mysore Palace.
And we are together. Let's introduce who is Subbu, Crazy
Hi.
Driving, Lakshay, Mayur, Arjun, and Prashant, Crazy Prashant. So now Arjun is waiting like when they'll ask me to run. Just after Roshan, and last stretch we'll run together. So that's it, and lot of crazy stories, lots of thanks a lot Pramod, Ganesh. I hope it inspires. I mean, lot of posts and all. Gautam, Shridhar, thanks a lot, and other viewers. I see like some viewers are there. It's been a crazy journey, no sleep at all for some people. Some people just wanted to run, but are stuck in like driving, because very few people wanted to take the responsibility, and sometimes you have to make sacrifices, compromises, just to pull off a crazy thing like this. We are very new. We have not even finished like 2 years. We'll be celebrating 2 years. So with this, I invite everyone on 19th of January to Cubbon Park. We'll be having one crazy celebration event. So please join us. We are finishing our 2 years of running roadies, and please join this thing. And Gautam is saying, look at Mayur. What Mayur? What look at Mayur? Say hi, Mayur.
Hi. Hello.
So,
Hey, Gautam.
and yes, so thanks for missing you too, Gautam. I wish you would have joined, but thanks for all the support, all the blessing, all the help in planning, and all the crazy. We cannot, like one person cannot do this alone. It has been a crazy journey, and like just this day and bonding with so many people and knowing deeper stories and about that all, it means a lot to us. And I hope this continues for the years to come, and this one becomes like a benchmark for people to push their limits and see like it's not just marathon thing. There is like this limit is like endless, and plan out something, do something, and execute something, and join what are they doing at the back. We had to change the strategy. It's a crazy sunny outside. A person cannot go. We are running behind time. We have to go back also to Bangalore. There are some girls and ladies and family people with us, so we had to switch the strategy. We have like 5-6 runners along with us, so what we are thinking is 2 to 3 kilometer, whatever we can go, we sprint and then we somehow finish it off. So they are doing it back, they are waiting for their turn, everyone. I sprinted 2 times, 5 kilometer, then again like 3 kilometers. Pawan was with us, Pawan did, and Roshan is there, and Roshan is doing Roshan, please pani पीना पड़ेगा good. Sometimes you have to force people to drink water. So but see when you are passionate and you are into this thing na, so it's just it's crazy because your mind will fool you and all this thing will happen, and it's very easy to get dehydrated, and it's very important to have like a crew with you. You cannot do solo. But anyways, if someone is excited, someone is a runner or new to running and what, like feel free to join us. It's just this thing, we plan out crazy, this is like a family. We have like good understanding, and that you can see. And other than that, if there is some runner or running crew watching, I would say we will share full plan with you guys. Like if you want to execute this thing, do that under your banner, nothing, and it'll help you out, and it will inspire your group also. है ना, तो that thing is there. Let me know if some girl is watching, some woman is watching. It's about gender equality. We had one stretch where 6 girls ran together for 6 kilometers in middle of the night. I shared the video. You can just scroll down and you can check that video also. And I guess that's it. And yeah, so just if these people can do, you can do too. And there are a lot of guys like us, like these crazy people who are running. These people, we are doing this like in Crazy Sun because we all commonly like believe in this initiative, and we wanted to dedicate something, and we wanted to like something big, something giant, and something that we felt like it was impossible. 1 week of planning and we pulled this off successfully. We'll finish strong, and I guess that's it. Comment below or feel free to message like what you felt about this and videos and this thing. And thanks for support, and thanks for all the love and contribution and blessings without which we would not have like finished this thing. And thank you. We are about to enter Mysore. It's 10 kilometers now. If he want to switch, we can. Arjun can go if he wants to. Want to go?
We'll go at that board or what?
So yeah, that's it. And you can see that board is there, Mysore. Like we are entering Mysore, and we'll switch. And yeah, thanks a lot for a lot of people have been there. I'll tag everyone. I'll create one post once we reach and all this. We are super tired, hungry, not eaten anything and all, but it just we are just like let's finish this strong. Then we'll relax, we'll chill, we'll do all that. But yes, that's it. Just share in comments or message or this thing. But so okay, that's it.